This is a compact but solid 3-wheeled motorised dolly that can get dolly and slider shots easily, so let's get straight to it and take a look. You have the fixed motorised wheel at the front, and then you have 2 additional wheels on these arms, and you can adjust these to change the type of dolly shot from a straight sliding type dolly to a curved to a spinning shot. All 3 wheels have 2 thin rubber gaskets on them to help move them along, and you have 2 spare ones in the box. The controls are really simple. The unit charges via USB-C, and then you have an on-off button, a reverse button, and you can also adjust the speed, and it has 5 adjustments. And there's this tiny remote control as well, but I did find it a bit temperamental, so I preferred starting and stopping the dolly from the dolly itself. There are 2 screw threads on top, a 1/4 inch and a 3/8 inch, and an adapter included in the box. However, you won't be able to position your camera in the right place without a ball head of some sort. And the lower you keep the camera, the more stable your dolly shots will be. You can mount a number of cameras on this dolly, from an Insta360 Go, a mobile phone, an action camera, the ZV1, a DSLR, and I even put my Sony FX6 on there. Getting these moving style dolly shots raises production value of your videos and makes them look more professional. You will get the best shots from this dolly with DSLRs and other cameras where you have more control over the depth of field. And these cameras and lenses are inevitably bigger, and they do feel more vulnerable on the dolly if you don't balance them properly. And it is harder to balance them correctly, so you are limited with the type of shots that you get with these larger lenses and larger cameras. There's no battery indicator on this dolly, although it does seem to last for ages. I shot this entire video and there still seems to be a lot of charge left in it. The dolly has to be used on solid flat surfaces. Any tiny grooves or dips or any tiny bits of dirt will affect your shot. When I operated this dolly manually, I couldn't find a stop button, so I had to turn it off when I wanted to stop it. And also, every time I picked it up in order to move it or to change the position of the wheels, I'd end up pressing one of the buttons. These are just minor criticisms of an accessory that I think is a really cool piece of kit, and if you take your time with it, you can get some excellent shots with it. And if you want to find out other ways of getting great shots with your camera, you'll want to watch this video next. My name's Rich, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.